Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. First off, I want to apologize for not making videos. I have been dealing with a lot of college, but I'm here with another video today with my sister Zulima. And we're going to play a little game. Okay, so how the game basically goes, one person is going to put a mystery item inside the box and the other person is going to cover their eyes and they're going to guess what the item is, and we'll see who gets the most right. So if you want to see the Gordo,
I told you it was gonna be hard.
if you want, you could put him in the walker.
It's cause.
Okay, so she's gonna put on this mask.
It's so tiny.
We have my niece in the background, and I hope she doesn't say anything. Okay. Okay, you can start touching it. So your hands go in here.
Oh, okay. Hey, what the heck? Oh, I know what these are. The cotton balls.
Yeah.
You're scared. I know, because they feel furry. I was like, what the heck?
Okay, this is gonna be item number 2. Okay, so you can start feeling.
I'm like, what the heck? Oh wait, this is a sponge.
What kind of sponge?
To wash yourself with.
Oh yeah.
A loofah. A loofah? A loofah? A loofah.
Okay, this is item number 3.
What the heck?
Okay, you can feel it.
That sound sounded like. Oh, this is soap. Right? Is it? Yeah, quiet. I knew it. I remember that feeling.
Oh
like,
my
oh god. Your items are so easy.
Okay.
Wait for mine.
Item number 4.
I'm gonna say 5.
You could feel it.
What the heck? Oh, okay. Okay. What the heck? Is it like a duck?
No.
No, it's not a duck. I don't know what the heck. This is springy. I don't know. It's a duck. It's something springy. I don't know. Furry? I give up.
It's a.
I don't even know what it is. What is that? I don't know. I got it at Walmart. Poopsie poos. Popsy poos. Oh, I was like, what the heck? I don't know.
And this is item number 5.
4. Wait, you only got 5 items?
I thought we were supposed to only
I
get
got
5
6.
items. Oh well, I mean. Okay.
What the heck? Oh, I don't want to feel this. This feels pokey. Ow. It's cactus.
No.
Ow, that thing hurts. What the heck, did it move? Oh, it's a poke.
Did it move?
It's an acorn.
No.
A Christmas tree.
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Gosh, dang it. How did you get mine so fast? My turn.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm scared.
You're gonna hate
Okay.
one of yours.
Oh my god, don't tell me that. Okay, so now it's gonna be my turn.
Oh, my eyelashes.
Okay. Alright, go ahead.
What is this? You. Oh, this is like the little squishy thingamabobber. The ball. Yeah, it's like
The
a
squishy ball.
Look at it. Look at it though.
Ew, what is that?
It's like an egg.
What the
With
heck?
the yolk.
That's cool.
Look. Okay. This is the second item. Item number 2.
I'm scared for the last one. You got me scared.
Okay, go.
These feel so weird. I know this feeling, but I don't know what it is. Shh. It's I don't know. I'm all
You're like this.
I don't know.
Tell me when you get
Is it a door?
door?
Is it a little like a little man?
A little man.
It feels like it.
Open your eyes. What the heck? It's a squishy. Well, I knew these. Oh, these are cool. Okay. This is item number 3. All right. Go.
Ah! What is that? That's really big. I'm scared. Ah! Oh, it doesn't move. Ah! Is that a spider?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes. It's fake.
Oh, that's scary. Oh my gosh. I don't want to touch it.
This is item number 4.
I'm terrified now. You made me scared from the spider.
Here you go.
Ah!
You're not even in there yet.
Ah!
Go.
Ah! Oh my god.
Oh. You're like, oh.
Is this slime?
Yeah.
I was gonna get slime too,
Bunch of
but I was
nerds.
like, it's too predictable.
I had to get some easy items.
Yeah.
Alright. This is item number 5.
This isn't the last one, right?
No. Go.
Everything you get is slimy and sticky. Ew. You like this? Wait, what is this? A mouse? A rat? It's something sticky, but
It's sticky, yeah.
wait, is it slime too?
Yeah. It's sort of like that. Want to open your eyes?
Oh, that made my. Oh, this is cool.
like
You got all kinds of cool stuff.
This is item number 6.
And the worst one, I don't know what it is. I'm scared. Does it move?
Alright, go.
Does it move?
I can't say nothing. Go.
Salama better not be a bug.
So you just put your hands in there. You gotta do it.
Ah! Does it move? Just tell me.
Yes.
Ah! I'm scared. I don't want to touch it.
You gotta touch it. It's not gonna kill you.
Ah! I don't know what it is. Will you touch it?
Yes, I touched it right now. I grabbed it.
Oh! I don't know what it is. You're scaring me. Ew, is it a worm?
Yeah.
Ew! Ew! Ew, she's so nasty and mean! Ew, how do you touch those? Could she? Oh my god! I hate you! Oh my god! And that is all for this video. I hope you guys liked it, even though she made me scared. She made me terrified at the worm. I'll never. Ugh! I'm surprised she touched it because she's scared of everything.
Not warm. I'm used to it.
Ew! Well, her boyfriend, he's a worm guy, so. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to keep on watching more videos. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye! There.